Hello guys. In this tutorial we are going to build PDF voice reader using Python. First we will learn how to read a PDF file and then we will see how to set a peek function for the PDF file. I am Kevraj Yaru. Welcome to Dream Developers. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and if you are new then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Watch the video till end. So let's begin. In this project we will use two libraries. First PyPDF2 for reading PDF and then PyTTSL3 for converting text to speech. So open command prompt and write pip install PyPDF2. This will install Python PDF library, and then write pip install PyTTSX3. This will install text to speech library. Now open any text editor. I am using Sublime editor. So let's start to code our PDF voice reader. First we will import two libraries. So write import PyPDF2 and then write import PyTTX3 library. Now let's read the PDF file. So first we have to open the file. So write PDF object equal to open. In this bracket we have to pass the file name. So write demo.pdf and then we will write the mode. So write RB. RB stands for binary mode. Now write PDF read equal to PyPDF2.pdf file reader, and in this bracket we will pass the PDF reader object. So write PDF object. Now let's create a null string. So write text equal to comma open and close. Now in the PDF there is a many page, so we have to set the for loop. So write for space page number in space range. In this bracket we have to pass the total page number. So write PDF reader dot num pages. This will return the total pages of PDF. Now write page equal to PDF reader dot get page. In this bracket we have to pass the current page number. So write page number. Now let's extract the text from the PDF. So write text plus equal to page dot extract text. This function will return the text from the PDF. Now outside the for loop we have to close the file. So write PDF object dot close. Now let's print our text. So write print. So in this bracket we have to pass the variable. So write text. Now let's set the voice. So first we have to initialize the object. So write engine equal to PyTTSX3.int. This will initialize the text to speech library object. Now write engine.say, and in this bracket we have to pass our variable. So write text, and to continue this task in loop, so we have to write the run and wait function. So write engine.run and wait. So that's it. Let's run our code and see the output.
Thank you for subscribing our channel. Hit the like button.
Here we can see our file text. So it's working properly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.